What? Whoa! Ah! Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Redmi Note 13 vanilla version, okay, the simple one. I've already done lots of videos for the Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus. You can check it out if you're interested. I wasn't planning to do this video because I think, oh, this is like too simple phone. But as lots of you guys ask, like, can you do one? And I thought, okay, this phone starts like at $150. That's quite a thing. I mean, how they can sell phone like in such a cheap price? Oh, yesterday I did a video about the Huawei RS Ultimate design, and even the phone case cost more than the phone, more than this Note 13. So I was kind of stunned. But that's so okay. Let's give it a try. Let's just unbox and hands on this video and see, what it has to offer in such a budget price. All right, start with unboxing. This is the packaging of the Redmi Note 13 5G. So here, right, some information that you are never going to read. I already took the phone out. So firstly, we have the, those usual things, a pen, some paperwork, whoa, and a case. This time they have upgraded the cases for the Redmi Note 13 series, and I really like this kind of case because it looks more expensive, more durable, better, looks better than this transparent ones, right? Just give you a look. Okay. All right, and that is how it looks when it's on the phone. And moving on, we have the Type-C cable, A to C cable, and the 33 watts super I'm not gonna call it super fast charging, but it's 33 watts, better than the Apple. Okay, and that's it. Okay, now let's move to the phone. So this is like the overall design of the 13. They adopt this kind of flat design, so it's the same as the 13 Pro. The Pro Plus adopt the curved screen design. I've already done a video about that. You can check it out. Many people just like this kind of flat design. What's your opinion about it? Just let me know. But first, let me just walk you through the design. So on the top, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, infrared blaster, and also the D-noise mic here. The speaker, you might ask, I guess it's just the sound we emit from this the receiver. I'll move to the right side, to left side. Okay. Pocket? What? Whoa! Okay, it actually surprised me. It supports like dual card, dual standby, and also you can choose one SIM card and an SD card here. This is like what you guys asking for, right? Okay, I always want this SD card expansion. Now there's no phone has it. Now the 13 has it. Or that's the left side. Now let's move to the right side. So here we have the volume rocker, and also the power key, and that is also the fingerprint scanner. Move to the bottom, we have speaker, Type-C, and another D-noise mic. Okay. As for the back, as you can see, it has this 108 megapixel main camera. Woo! And the other camera is a 2 megapixel, macro. Basically, maybe has no use. And the flash, there's a giant flash here. Okay, and that's basically the design. Feels not bad actually. If you look closer, you can see it have this kind of curved, not giving you like harsh corner. Okay. All right, and for other specs of the Note 13, it comes with the MIUI 14.0, and it has different storage for you to choose from. It also supports 1920 Hz PWM dimming and 2060 Hz touch sampling rate, and the battery is 5000 mAh, quite large, definitely. Even for a budget phone like this, you might care about the camera. So let me just give you a walkthrough of the camera interface document. So they just put 108 megapixel camera here. So it's supposed to like 1x, 2x switch video. For the video, it only supports up to like 1080 30 fps, no 4K or 1080 60 fps. All right. So that's the video. Also supports 2x switch and photo. 1x, 2x, and it supports all the way up to 10x, digital zoom. And then with portrait, night more. These are some of the features it supports right now. Okay, nothing new. And let's just take more photos or videos, right? Let's just, the selfie, all right. The selfie, the front camera also supports like up to 1080 30 fps. Photo, portrait. Okay, I will take more portrait later, maybe. Let me check if it's good. Seems fine. As you can see, the blurred my hair like strange. Yeah, let me give you just some more samples. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. So I just doing it in the opposite way. Just check the stabilization. But I think that wouldn't be good, right? For this kind of budget phones, don't expect that much. For the camera performance, as long as it can record, it's recording, then everything is just fine, I guess, right? Okay, so just all right. So stairs. Seems alright. Alright, this is like a broad daylight outdoor videos, 1080 30 fps. That's the max resolution the Note 13 supports. So we just hold it, not running, as some of you guys suggest. Please Sami, don't run. Okay, don't run. That seems quite stable, really. So this is like quite stable. Let's try to focus. Whoa! No way, it can be so fast, right? Better than my camera. Alright, so not bad. Yeah, if you don't run, it looks fine. But if you run, okay, that's my camera. Alright, now let's try the front. The selfie camera a little bit, 1080 30 fps also. Okay. The sky. Looks fine, right? And okay. Today is mid-autumn day. So as you can see, like not so many people like walking around. Or maybe it's because of in the room and people will eat their lunch or take a rest or something. Okay, seems fine, not bad. Not bad. The only complaint maybe is like the no like arch whites just make my head like look huge already. Alright, I already have a huge head. So, okay, let's try some photos. regarding the Antutu Benchmark, he might ask, how is the Dimensity 6080? I've never heard of it. Okay, here we go. I just tested the Antutu Benchmark, and here is the score, 413,000. Okay, it says it defeated only 4%. 4%. All right, but what do you expect from such a budget phone, right? This are the scores for different items. I guess this is not gonna handle like heavy games or something. It's actually like almost the same as the Note 13 Pro, right? But only the half of the Pro Plus. But you know, you get what you paid, right? And that's the Antutu Benchmark. As always, we are going to test the audio. Okay.
Come on. Hey, greedy, don't fret on what you see is what you get.好想跟自己说声对不起，让肉体灵魂跟着受委屈。
盘点8位美女小姐姐之边。
Yeah, as you can see, as you can hear, this phone comes with only one side speaker. Alright, the top. I thought it has the had the sound, but it's not. Just listen, right? Okay, that's a sound test. It's it has sound. Okay. All right, so that is the video. For $150, you get a 108, megapixel camera, 3.5mm headphone jack, Type C, 5,000 milliamp battery, and even 33 watts faster charger. I mean, and even that SIM card tray, it supports dual card and also SD card expansion. I mean, what else you want to ask for the $150 phone, right? I would say this is the best price, okay, the best budget phone, 5G phone in 2023. I'm not sure when can this or will be this sold like overseas, or maybe Xiaomi just rename it to Poco phones or whatever. But definitely this is the cheap phone that that surprised me and astonished me. Alright, I'm glad I did a video about it. This phone definitely deserves more attention. There's still lots of people need such budget phones, and if you do, this one is for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.